Hi, my name is Sohail Ahmed. I am CTO of Wi-Fi Soft. It is 15th August. It's a big day for all of us as an Indian. Today we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day. At Wi-Fi Soft, for some of us, there is one more reason to celebrate. We are going to make a big announcement today. I will talk about that shortly. But before that, let me share a little bit about our history. Wi-Fi Soft is about 15 years young software product company primarily focusing in Wi-Fi industry. In last 15 years, we have built some really amazing products which have been deployed not only in India but in more than 45 countries. If I were to divide our journey so far, I would like to divide our journey in 3 phases of 5 years each. First phase is starting from year 2005 till 2010. During this phase, we introduced our first flagship product, Wi-Fi LAN. It was a web-based OSS BSS platform which was designed to offer free Wi-Fi as well as paid Wi-Fi. As soon as we introduced this product, it was immediately adopted by a lot of customers in US and UK. Our product got deployed in places such as 5-star properties, casinos, high-end restaurants and so on. In fact, this product was also deployed in various oil rigs to offer internet connectivity service. During second phase of our journey, we introduced Network Access Controller, our second flagship product which is available by name Unibox. As we speak today, thousands of these boxes are already deployed all over the world. During last 5 years, we focused on building enterprise-grade access points and IoT gateways. So far, we have built already thousands of these devices which are installed in India as well as outside India. In short, last 15 years have offered us a lot of opportunities to establish ourselves as a key player in wireless industry. And with the kind of team we have and the talent we have, and of course with the kind of ecosystem we have built so far, we have not only done that, but we are also playing a critical role in designing and defining future networks. We think that the name Wi-Fi Soft has served its purpose, and time has come for us to spread our wings, desire for more, and try to touch the limit of sky. Therefore, today we are going to rebrand Wi-Fi Soft as Indeo Networks. Under this new brand, we shall continue to offer our existing products line. We shall continue to serve our partners and customers. Under this new name, we have decided to own few more responsibilities. One of the immediate responsibility as Indeo Networks would be to deliver completely make in India products, access points, switches, and in future controllers. The other responsibility that we would like to own is to bring a major digital transformation in the way the future networks are being imagined, designed, and implemented. We would like to bring complete software-centric approach in building these future networks. And with the kind of technology and advancement has happened in edge computing,